Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got just some unboxing again. It's a microphone, it's a wired microphone and it's Lavialier microphone, USB-C one. Go and have a look on that. Go first have a look on the box, quickly unbox, and after that I will be connect this microphone and the rest of the video I will be recording over this mic. Let's go do it. As you can see, it's a simply box. It's called Lavalier microphone, super sound for audio and video recording. It's model GL-121. It's Type C and it's a high quality mic. It's ideal for video use, low handling noise, easy to use, includes label, clip, foam, windscreen pouch as well. It's got a frequency 20 Hz to 16 kHz. Signal noise is 58 decibel and sensitivity is -34 to +2 decibel. Type C microphone 1.5 meter cable length and it's got at 25 grams. Okay, what is inside the box? That's it, nothing else. Okay, I already plug in and now the microphone is on test. Just do a test, quick test. Yeah, it's come from the mic, definitely come from the mic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will be plugging this to my t-shirt. Here you go, I done it. And we can have a look on the box again. It's a Lavalier microphone, model GL-121. Probably you can hear me much better. You will see, you can compare that with the with or without mic and to see what you think. Okay, that's it, I think. That's it for today. It's easy, quick video, unboxing review. Not too much talking about this cable mic. It's actually working. You can hear it. It's here. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. And the sound from this mic is much better than from my phone. You can compare the start video and end of the video where I got it without the mic. Now, with this mic, hopefully it's much better. And it's so simple. It's just plug into USB-C and that's it. All done. Okay, here we go. Click like and subscribe. See you later on my next video.